Tired of fried eggs that float in oil and quickly lose their appetizing appearance? Today I'll reveal a simple life hack that will completely change the way you fry eggs. You will need almost no oil or fat, and the result will be soft, tender, airy like a cloud, and incredibly delicious. Take 3 chicken eggs and break them into a deep bowl. To easily and quickly separate the yolk from the white, use a slotted spoon. Add a pinch of salt to the yolks and whisk them until they form a smooth, homogeneous mass. Now let's get to the egg whites. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and whisk until the mixture turns white and fluffy. Add a small amount of whipped whites to the yolks and mix well. Now transfer this mixture into the egg whites and mix gently. Next, heat a non-stick frying pan on the stove top, adding a little butter. When the temperature is right, pour in the prepared mixture. Cover the pan with a lid and reduce the heat to low. This will ensure the eggs cook evenly without losing their airiness. After a few minutes, check under the lid. If the whites have risen well and are fully set, you can carefully fold the omelette in half with a spatula. Cook for about another minute. Then transfer the finished dish to a plate. By the way, from what country are you watching this video? Share in the comments, it's nice to know viewers come from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, now's the time to do so. I'd be grateful for your support. Cut the egg and see how tender and airy it is. One little secret and you'll have such a stunning egg dish on your table. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video.